Hey all, let's see the basics about stack. Consider you are toasting 10 breads and placing in a container. Now imagine that the container is a stack and the breads are the memory. When you place the breads in the container, the first placed bread will be in the last position. That is also called as first in last out. Come, let's see the operation that is performed in stack. The first operation is push, that is simply when you push the bread into a container. The second main operation is pop, that is when you remove the element from the top of the stack. The last operation is pick, that is when you move the element from the stack to the top of it. The main advantage of stack is that the memory can be allocated dynamically. And finally, thanks for watching the video and subscribe to my channel too. That is totally free of cost.